wait, look at this number. This is what we've been drinking? I'm really shocked. So I live in San Diego and I always knew that the water quality is not the best, but I didn't realize how much it was affecting our day-to-day life. We were consistently buying bottled water, those big packs, 12-pack, 24-pack, carrying them around from the store, running out all the time, expensive, inconvenient, and just a big hassle. And honestly, all that plastic, I really started to feel bad about it. And even then, the bottled water, it's not perfect. You don't really know how long it's been standing there, sitting there in the sun, in the store, on the shelves. It's just not the best thing for you. And the tap water, don't even get me started. It's not that I don't like the taste, it's just like I know it's not good for me. I know the quality is not there, so I just avoid drinking it. So my boyfriend and I, we sat down, we were talking like, what should we do? Because this is not sustainable, like financial, environmental, and for our overall health. So we were like really trying to find a solution. I did my own research with Chat, GPT, and Claude, trying to find out the best water filter system that we could install in our place. I asked both AI agents to compare the best water filtration systems, their pros and cons. So after going through all of that, we narrowed it down to few best options, and Waterdrop just kept coming up in all of them as like the best and top choice. So for us, it was a no-brainer at that point. AI says it's the best, we trust AI. And so at that point, we were like, we need to try this. We were doing our research. We were mainly comparing countertop filters versus the under sink filters. We were looking at the tank or tankless. We were looking at the filtration system quality and the TDS reduction, the size, the aesthetics, and how easy it is to actually use it daily. Some systems were bulkier, the others were a bit more complicated, and some didn't filter at all as we want them to. But at the end, we really wanted something that does look clean and minimal, doesn't take too much space, actually improves our water quality and our life quality, and fits into our routines. Quick disclosures, this product was actually gifted to me by the Waterdrop team. Thank you guys so much for the trust in me. Everything in this video is my honest experience and my own review. When it came to installing the device, it took us probably about an hour with the plumber to install it. Because of our specific faucet situation, we needed help, but the plumber told us that this is a fairly easy system to use, to install, so it usually doesn't take this long. So just keep that in mind. It really depends from your kitchen and your plumbing situation. It shouldn't be that hard, and you could probably even do it yourself. It also doesn't take too much space under the sink. Everything feels very minimal and aesthetic, which I love. After installing the device, you have to turn it on and let the water on for about 30 minutes for the filter to start actually working, and then you're all set. You got your perfect water ready to go. Okay, this is the moment. We're gonna test out 3 different types of water. We have tap water here, we have the bottled water, and then we have the filtered by Waterdrop filtration system. I have my TDS device here. Let's just turn it on. Again, it's showing 0. So let's test out tap water first. 342. Wow, that's crazy. It's back to 0. So now let's see the bottled water that we've been drinking for God knows how long. 205. This is insane. Wow, I cannot believe this. Okay, and the Waterdrop filter. Wow, 16 only. This is insane. The difference between these two and the Waterdrop is just crazy. Literally, this is crazy. How can this be 16 and the bottled water is 200? The tap water was 300 and something. Wow. It's actually less than what the filter is showing here. It's showing 21. Wow. I'm honestly shocked and impressed. Wow, incredible. So at this point, we've actually been using the system for a few days, and honestly, it's just one of those upgrades that makes life so easy and so much better. It is super easy to use. The water tastes amazing, and I naturally even drink more water without realizing it, which is so good for me. Coffee tastes better, cooking tastes better, everything tastes better. It's smooth, it's delicious, and it's just everything feels like such better quality. And the best part for us is no more buying water, no more plastic, no more carrying heavy stuff. It's just so easy and makes our life so much better. And no more plastic waste. So yeah, we're doing something good for the environment. It really does simplify everything. Now, some final thoughts here. I'm not actually saying that you have to buy this specific water system, but having a good water filter, 100% worth it. For us, this one just checked all the boxes. Really clean, it's simple, it's easy to use, and it actually works great. If you're curious, check out their options. Maybe they have something else that you're interested in. If you were thinking about upgrading your water system in your house or the way you do take your water, this actually could be a sign for you.